If you're trying to open Tor browser and you're getting this error that says Windows cannot access the specified device path or file, you may not have the appropriate permissions to access the item. Don't worry, this is actually a really easy fix. So what's happening here is that Windows is blocking access to the Tor browser executable because the permissions have been set to Denny. Let me show you how to fix it. First, open your Tor browser installation folder. Now go into the browser folder and look for Firefox.exe. Tor browser is based on Firefox, so this is the file that launches Tor browser. Right click on Firefox.exe and click Properties. Next, go to the Security tab. Click on your Windows username. As you can see, all of these Denny permissions are checked. That's exactly why Tor browser won't open. Now click Edit, select your username again, then uncheck every box under the Denny column. Once you're done, click Apply and then click OK. Now close everything and try launching Tor browser again, and just like that, the problem should be fixed. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.